Nandito na ako sa may train station. Tapos, dito na ako sa area. Kailangan ko lang lumabas para mapunta sa Tokyo Tower. Interestingly, itong building na to, yung building ng Team Lab Borderless. So, yeah. Kung hindi lang if I had better logistics, again, should have put it doon. Sige. Next time. For next time talaga. Okay, kailangan natin lumabas. Right, so nakalabas na ako sa tamang exit. At emphasize na kasi niligaw ako kanina eh. Ngayon, we're going to walk 600 meters, which is pretty much a 9-minute walk. Papunta tayo ng entrance sa Tokyo Tower. So, dito tayo sa Minato City ngayon. And yeah, it's 8:10 in the evening. So, ample time pa naman. With that said, I'm actually having an idea na kung saan ako magdi-dinner. Pero I have to make sure nga ako 24 hours yun eh. Yeah, I have to check. Dahil kasi pagkatapos nun, madalian lang na bisita. Tapos tayo ay babalik ulit sa area na yun. Siguro one of these days. Yeah. So, probably around Thursday pagkatapos ng challenge. Dahil kasi pagkatapos ng challenge, baka sadyain ko na rin yung makapag unti-unting budol. Yeah. I actually look forward to going back to that area. Kaya, it's gonna be a treat. It is pretty beautiful, yung building ng Team Lab Borderless. Okay. Next time. Wala siya sa parte ng itinerary ko eh, kaya napanginayang lang. Then again, more promise for next time, alright? Mitori Gito. There she is. It's beautiful, no? Sige, may mga pumipila na dito dahil kasi maganda yung shot. Teka, ako natin. Isn't she a beauty? Sige, dire-diretso na tayo. We're gonna present lang yung ticket via Klook. So, yeah, kung sakali pang active, you could use this promo code to avail 5% sa hotel at saka sa activities. Sige. It's so impressive. Nandito tayo sa taas and yung ina-explain ng tour guide nasa elevator na yung speed from ground floor papunta sa taas is around 45 seconds. Bilis. Parang din, mga ganun din yung elevator sa Shibuya kaya tayo yun? Yeah, parang ganun. And damn, look at this view, man. This is a great Shinto shrine of the tower. Lapit sa kung nasaan may mga upuan and wala na, signs of adulting. My back is killing me. Sige, as of the moment I got a couple of good shots eh. Overlooking the city, so all 4 points. Sobrang ganda. I'm actually curious kung paano pa yung mga ibang towers like Shibuya Sky, Tokyo Sky 3. Right now lang it's a bit more expensive, it's a bit more pricier. Pero it's a great way to see the city eh. Tapos themed pa sila oh. May nagpa-pop up screen. Because it's Halloween, yes. Sige, take a couple of shots muna siguro mamaya. Tapos merong isang magandang photo camera spot dun sa labas na nakita ko kanina. Punta ako dun. Tapos I pretty much have an idea where to go for dinner. So it's just a matter of sana mabot ako pa. Kung hindi, there's always a plan B. Right, sige. Tara na bumaba because I want to eat. Yung elevator pababa is 1 floor below. So we have to go downstairs. Sige. Okay, I keep getting distracted dahil kasi ang dami pa na pwedeng gawin 1 floor below. Excuse me. May nagsiset up. Ito. Yeah. So, sobrang nakakatuwa dahil kasi yung pinaka-elga nung pinanood ko na parang short film nila is preserving its art, its tradition while modernizing. That's Tokyo. Yeah. Sana sa atin din. Alright, so one last clip with the Tokyo Tower. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yeah, until next time. Sayonara. Sige, so ngayon I really have to go. Dahil kasi kung sakali marating man ako ng tren at punta ako dun sa pagkakainan ko, sana ma-accommodate pa ako. But then again, I already have a plan B, so hindi naman ako tatakot. Pero I kinda wanna do plan A right now dahil kasi mas trip ko pa yun ngayon. Pero sige, bitinin ko na muna kayo ng konti, tapos sabihin ko lang pag nandun na tayo mamaya. I don't know if you could see it, pero here is the cemetery for the Tokugawa shoguns. Wow, grabe no. Dahil kasi yung lalakaran natin ngayon, it's actually the grounds of Zoji Temple. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. Sige nga, pag more reasons again to go back to Tokyo. Hindi talaga kulang kahit kasi, alam mo yun, parang ample time na rin kasi kung mga ilang areas lang ang pupunta mo dito sa Tokyo for 6 days. Pero kahit nga mag-isang 2 linggo ka, feel ko bitin pa rin. Pero sige, again, more reason to go. Kaya kasi you'll never get tired of Japan.